In the sun-drenched living room, Miha and Baba conspire in hushed tones, their eyes sparkling with mischief. Mirha leans in closer, her voice a delicate whisper. Baba, is Mama going to be really surprised? Baba gently hushes her, a playful smile gracing his lips. Shh! It's a secret! Baba's expression turns tender, his voice filled with affection. Today, we will make Mama very happy. Their secret pact solidifies, a shared warmth filling the room as they plot their joyful surprise. Hussein shuffles into the living room, his small hands cradling a potted flower. He strains under the weight, his brow furrowed in concentration. With a flourish, Hussein presents the flower, exclaiming, "This is for Mama!" His face glows with pride. Mama steps into the living room, her eyes widening at the sight of the spotless space. Filled with warmth and care, she gasps softly, disbelief washing over her as she takes in the beautifully decorated room. Mirha, Hussein, and Baba rush towards Mama, their faces radiant with joy and anticipation. Who did all this? Mama asks, her voice filled with wonder. We love you very much. Mirha, Hussein, and Baba exclaim in unison, their voices ringing with affection. Mama's eyes fill with tears of happiness as she embraces them tightly, a moment of pure love.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.